Introduction. Students, do you know that few animals like ground squirrels and other rodents undergo hibernation during winter? They do so with cold and food shortage during those things. How birds beat cold during winter? Birds' feathers provide very good insulation against the cold. Also, they flop out their feathers to create air pockets which give extra insulation in cold climate. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to explain adaptation, discuss climate of polar regions and tropical rainforest regions, describe adaptation of different animals of polar and tropical rainforest regions to the climate. There are countries Jurassic, polar and tropical rainforest region. Polar regions are situated near the north and south poles. Some countries of this region of Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska, and Siberia. Some countries where the tropical rainforests are found are India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brazil, Republic of Congo, Kenya, Uganda, and Nigeria. The polar regions have an extreme climate. The whole region is covered by snow and almost throughout the year. It's cold, sunny, does not set at the poles for 6 months. But for the other 6 months, there is no sunrise. The temperature can as low as minus 40 degrees Celsius during this heat. Adaptation of polar bear fur. Thick fur keeps body warm in frigid air and water. White fur helps for camouflage in ice and snow and reflects the heat lost through the skin back into its body. Big paws. Broad paws spread body weight on ice and helps in swimming. Claws curved in shape to dig through ice. Teeth jagged, sweating, carnivorous eating habit. Nostrils helps in breathing but are closed when inside water. Small ears and tails, short in size to minimize heat loss. Fat layers help to keep warm by insulation. Adaptation of penguin. You must have the images of penguin. They are wired so much well with a white background. They also have thick side and lot of fat to protect them from cold. Penguins generally huddled together to keep themselves warm. They are good swimmers, their bodies streamlined, and their feet have webs to help swim. Other animals living in polar region of various types of fishes, musk, oxen, reindeers, foxes, seals, whales, and birds. You might have heard Siberian butterfly bird sanctuary in India every year in winter. Why did they come into India? Because during winter, India has much warmer climate compared to Siberia. They go back to their place when winter is over. Select and drag the correct option in respective boxes. 1. This helps it to protect from predators. This helps it to remain underwater for a long time. This helps it to walk on ice, short in size to minimize heat loss. You select any one of the options and send to the WhatsApp number. The tropical region generally has hot climate, being closer to equator. Even in the coldest month, the temperature is generally higher than 15 degrees Celsius. During summers, temperature may cross 40 degrees Celsius. Days and nights are almost equal in length throughout the year. These regions get plenty of rainfall. Hot and humid planet makes this region rich in tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforests are found in Central America, Western Ghats, and Assam, and in India, Central Africa, and Southeast Asia. Because of continuous warmth and rain, this region has wide variety plants and animals. The variety animals like monkeys, apes, gorillas, lions, tigers, elephants, leopards, lizards, snakes, birds, and insects are found in these forests. Click either on true or false. Let us discuss about adaptation of the animals to a hot, humid climate. Many animals are adapted to living in the trees. Red light strong has developed sticky pads on its feet to help it climb trees on which a glass sea. Monkeys, they have long tails for grasping branches. Their feet and hands are such that they can easily hold onto branches. Toucans, long large that helps to reach fruits on the weak branches. They can't hold its weight. Many tropical animals have sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin, and a skin color that helps them to blend with the surroundings and protect from predators. Lions and tigers have thick skins and sensitive hearing. Adaptation. Elephant. This is an elephant, another well-known animal of Indian tropical rainforest. Is the elephant. It has an elongated nose called trunk. Due to this trunk has strong sense of smell. The trunk is also used for picking food. The big teeth are useful in tearing bark of trees. One elephant loves to eat. Large ears of the elephant help it to hear even very soft sounds. Select and drag the correct option in respective box. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Any feature which seems to increase the chances of survival of an organism in its surroundings is called adaptation. The polar regions are covered with snow and remain cold during most part of the year. Polar bear and penguins are the animals in polar region which are completely adapted to cold climate. The tropical regions have hot climate. Red-eyed frog, toucan, monkeys, tigers, elephants, leopards, etc. are some animals which are adapted to hot climate in tropical rain.